Santa Claus? He's a legendary figure, right? Known for bringing gifts to children on Christmas Eve. He's often described as a jolly old man with a white beard and a red suit, flying in his sleigh pulled by reindeer. That's right. Santa Claus is famous for traveling in his sleigh, which is pulled by his reindeer, delivering presents to children all around the world on Christmas Eve. It's a magical part of the Christmas tradition.
යාළුවනේ ඔයාලා තවම අපේ channel එක subscribe කරලා නැද්ද? එහෙනම් subscribe button එක ඔබලා subscribe කරන්න. සීනුව සලකුණ ඔබලා දිනපතා අපගේ නව වීඩියෝ බලන්නත් ඔබට අවස්ථාව තියෙනවා.